Out with the old. In with the new. Hey guys, it's Austin with Southern Pros Lawn Care and Landscaping. Today we're going to be replacing the muffler on my 61-inch scag walk behind. It broke yesterday. One of the brackets did while I was mowing one of my last few yards. I had 3 more to do before I was finished for the day. We finished up with the 48-inch scag walk behind. So today we're just going to be replacing the muffler, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it. Alright guys, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take these 2 bolts out, and we're going to get this piece of metal that's stuck in here. We're just going to take it out, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take these 2 bolts out, and we're going to get this piece of metal that's stuck in here. We're just going to take it out, and we'll go from there. There's that little, what's left of the bracket that was there holding the muffler, but it'll be fixed here soon. Alright guys, you just take your muffler, make sure that you got your exhaust clamp on there, and you just slide it right on here. Make sure that you've got your holes back there lined up, and then you can start putting your bolts in. Once you get those 2 bolts tightened in right there, you'll want to tighten up your exhaust clamp. You want to cut your zip ties and whatever plastic stuff they've put on there. You want to cut it off, and then you're ready to roll. Alrighty guys, we've got her on there. We're ready to go mow on this fine Tuesday morning. Let's go get at it.